Ọmọdé ò jóbi, àgbà ò jóyè. Ọmọdé ò jóbi, àgbà ò jóyè. Meaning, you cannot disdain me and still use me for your progress. If you think I'm too small and irrelevant, and you're still asking for my assistance, you have to recognize my importance so I can lend a help for you as well in your progress. That adage comes to be in those days, in the olden days when they want to become a chief in the community, they try to give honor, to people around, people they think can be of help to them in reaching that post. For example, Jagun. For example, Otun Oba. Now, what they do is that they usually give gifts to people they think are important in they reaching that particular post. So some people, elderly ones, they now believe that this one is young. I don't need to honor him in reaching this post. Meanwhile, that small one as well is cogent. So those young ones who will say, okay, you ignore us because we are small. We too will ignore you when time comes for you to become the chief. Ọmọdé ò jóbi, àgbà ò jóyè. Atakóró wọnú àdó, kò lè mọ́mọ rẹ̀ wọ́. Atakóró wọnú àdó, kò lè mọ́mọ rẹ̀ wọ́. Yoruba use these proverbs to warn people who think they are powerful, not to forget that they have children, relatives, who are not as powerful as they are, and who people can descend upon to take revenge. Yoruba use this one to caution people to do good and not to think they have all the power. In the olden days, even till now, those who are very powerful, they can think they can do anything. So if they think that if any problem want to occur, they can disappear and enter inside a small god like this, God. They should remember that they can't still take their child inside because the child is powerless, not as powerful as they are. So this adage cautions us to do good. Atakóró wọnú àdó, kò lè mọ́mọ rẹ̀ wọ́. Ọwọ́ ọmọdé ò tó pẹpẹ, tàgbàlagbà ọwọ́ kèrègbè. Ọwọ́ ọmọdé kò tó pẹpẹ, tàgbàlagbà kò wọ́ kèrègbè. Meaning, if you think you are special, remember that you have a limit of where you can reach. Let me explain that adage. A little child, Pepe means chef. A little child, his hand cannot reach the chef. So he needs an elderly person to help him reach the chef. So if a small child says, "Sir, please help me, I want to reach the chef," and the man says no and ignores him, a day will come that the elderly man too will want to put his hand inside a gourd. This kind of calabash, the round one, the gourd, the big one. A day will come when it will want to pick something inside the gourd. In the olden days, they keep things inside gourd. But the hand of an elderly person cannot enter because of the narrow neck of the gourd. It's only the hand of a small child that can enter it. So the elderly one too will need a small child to put the hand inside the gourd to help him take something out. So we all need each other. That is what Yorubas are preaching there. Ọwọ́ ọmọdé kò tó pẹpẹ, tàgbàlagbà kò wọ́ kèrègbè.